Come with a kisser as your lover. Are they good with blowjobs? Is the sex bad or good or in between? Do they initiate sex? Are they a pounder or a love maker? Is he great at sucking your boobs? Are they or a silencer? These are one and many things that you should ask your partner. 80% of women do not enjoy sex. You know why? Because men automatically think they are good at it. Meanwhile, sometimes we fake it. This is why I want to introduce to you the most pleasurable book on planet Earth, The Aphrodite by Zimbaya Studios. As a woman that loves to be on top, one of the tricks I learned from the Aphrodite book is this. Put your foot against your man's waist, and this helps you to ride effortlessly, going back and forth, back and forth. And guess what? With your foot against your man's waist, you can do the no hands. No hands. During sex, all you need to do is focus on your partner right in front of you. That is the only thing you should be thinking about. I've showed you enough tricks. All you need to go do is get the Aphrodite book and learn millions and millions and millions of ways to satisfy your partner. This is for both genders, male and female. Like I said, 80% of men actually think you're good in bed. You're not. This book will give you all the tricks you need to know and learn about a woman's body. You need your sex life glowing. Yeah, love you, baby. Because of that book, I know how to write correctly.